In real projects, we show usernames, we set page titles, we display success messages after saving data. All of this is done using ViewData, ViewBag, and TempData. So let's understand them one by one, starting with the simplest. Imagine a user logs in and we want to show their name on the profile page. This is the same request scenario, so ViewData is perfect. Inside my controller, I'm writing this code. ViewData is a dictionary and it stores data in a key value format. We will display the name in view page by using @ViewData username. ViewData works only from controller to view in the same request. And if I redirect to another action, ViewData will be lost. Here it will be indexed. Next is ViewBag. Now let's say I want to set page title or bind a drop down list. This is a UI related data, so ViewBag is better. Here I have set the title of the page. And then the category of the list through drop down. ViewBag is dynamic, no typecasting required, and easy to use for UI data. Just like ViewData, ViewBag also works only for the current request. Next is TempData. This is the most important example and it is used in real time applications also. In controller, first I have created a register for a view. Through temp data, we will show a success message if a student submits a form. And we will redirect it to list page. Now I will create a register view. Then we will create a list view. In a student list, which is in list view, we will pass the temp data. Temp data works across actions and survives redirect. It uses sessions internally and automatically deletes after reading once. That's why temp data is perfect for success messages, error messages, and login and notification. In register page, we will create a form of name and button for submit. Then we will change the route also. If you return a view instead of redirect to action, TempData will not behave as expected. ViewData and ViewBag die after redirect, but TempData survives redirect. Our register is in home folder inside the view. So we get a success message.